Doris, give me that pound. Okay. Hey, a couple of nights ago, the spotlight was on the two Los Angeles teams, LeBron James, Kawhi Leonard. LeBron James was pivotal in their victory down the stretch.
He was, and he's never been a player since he entered the league 17 years ago to let a poor performance shooting the basketball impact his ability to help his team win. And in the fourth quarter, he delivers what was necessary. And he did that in two ways, Mark. First of all, two big plays down the stretch. Paul George gets beat as he gets to the right hand and is so solid, then crosses over. Paul George, great job.
James got up to a rough start in that ball game. Let's go. Siakam, two-time for the Toronto Raptors. Nick Nurse was happy with the way that this season. Lowry inside to Anunoby for the layup.
to 115 this year. In any way, shape, or form, be surprised if they come out of the East. Like, they are a significant threat to a Milwaukee team that has earned every prop it's gotten this year. And I think Giannis is the MVP and Defensive Player of the Year, and they may go to their finals, but we'll see. Any other person?
Yes.
I have been here since the 29th. I'm starting to lose track of time. Some days it feels like you're in Groundhog's Day. Run another. And players have told me they feel that way too, which is why teams like the Raptors have
the longest stretch of time to start a game that took the Lakers to score.
There's some of that transition game that I was alluding to a moment ago. That's going to be an offensive foul. Marc Gasol missing the scoop shot, and LeBron out to Caldwell Pope. Finds Danny Green wide open, and he steps out of bounds in the corner.
I think there's
Is that a foul
call?
Oh, they're going to call an offensive foul. That's going to go against LeBron. Our officiating crew here tonight.
And just to believe
With his fitness trainer, David Alexander, and he's been very impressive here at the Lakers. On cue, they say cheese. The guy that Nick Nurse points out as being one of the leaders along with Kyle Lowry. Dwight Howard throws it away. And Dwight Howard throws it away. And Dwight Howard throws it away. And Dwight Howard throws it away. 7 minutes to go in the first half. LeBron James with 5 points. He's only taken 4 shots in the game. Nice bounce pass inside, and Anunoby with the flush.
because it's challenging in terms of the size for Van Vliet or Lowry, it's not going to impact their bulldog mentality. Keep trying to get by and make plays.
LeBron just bullies his way in.
He's thinking of when he is talking about.
To me, there's no more powerful agent for change in society than education.
Love Lowry's message on the back of his jersey. Overseas at one point because he didn't get a call up and balled out in the Las Vegas Summer League. What was it, Aretha Franklin? You and I are the same demographic. We'll figure it out after the game. LeBron was 6 points on 2 of 5 from the field after falling down early 13-0. LeBron out top. Davis called for the lob, and Siakam read it. Under 2 minutes to go in the first half. LeBron got tripped up and fouled on the play, and another player hits the court.
And getting our pace and tempo.
LeBron patting it outside. spins on foul. Out of bounds, and he lost the handle. It'll be Raptors basketball.
Initial attempt to get a switch defensively, impact him and getting on Pascal.
Morris with a look at the buzzer. And that'll do it in a rather low-scoring first half. The Raptors, the reigning champs, trailing the Los Angeles Lakers. Coming up on the Toyota halftime, Ray and Jalen chopping it up in the studio.